Justin Labato here inside of the Autogeek show car garage, and we're here to showcase some of the Marine 31 polishes. Now, this is the second part of a 4-part series. The first series we did was based on the all-in-one gel coat polish wax. Now, we got great results. However, we can get much better results moving up into the gel coat heavy cut cleaner wax. And the reason why is because this is great for the basics in regards to a new to like new boat, as to where something that's oxidized like this, that's where we're able to move forward into something more aggressive with the cleaner wax. This has more aggressive abrasives. Also, this will allow you to work with multiple type machines such as rotary or DA, and also multiple pad types, whether it be foam or fiber-based such as a wool. Little brother, on the other hand, with the all-in-one, you're typically utilizing a DA polisher and a foam pad, and that's going to be your least aggressive approach. The other side of that too is not only is this going to be more aggressive, but this is going to streamline it to where instead of going multiple steps such as compounding and polishing, because of how aggressive this can be, this will eliminate that and allow you to do it all in one step. And a lot of times what I've found is boat detailers really enjoy using this on the top side because they put so much work into the hull of the boat that when it comes to the top side, this eliminates having to do multiple steps on the top side to make it much easier in regards to polishing it and protecting it with great results in one step. So with that, we're gonna go ahead for demo purposes, and we're gonna go ahead and do a test spot here. We're gonna utilize our Rupes Mille, which is a gear-driven or forced rotation machine, along with the Buff and Shine Euro Wool. Now this is gonna be a great combination because you're going to be able to cut and polish with this pad, which will complement the gel coat heavy cut cleaner wax. So we have our machine and our pad already paired. We have the pad placed on the machine evenly, of course. And then from there, you're going to want to take your polish, you're going to shake it up, and then you're going to apply 4 dime size drops onto the face of the pad. Like so. And then from there, make sure you're getting a nice comfortable position, especially on these lower areas of a boat. And I'm gonna place the face of the pad on the surface nice and flat. I'm gonna drop this down to speed 1 just to let this material and pad come together and prime itself. And then once it's primed, I'm gonna lock the trigger. I'm gonna go right into a speed 5. Using slow arm speed, I'm moving left to right because I'm on a small surface. You can crosshatch, but because I'm on a smaller surface, I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm using about a medium downward pressure, and I'm just rocking back and forth, left and right. That way it's more comfortable on my body as well, and I'm not fatiguing myself. The work time of this product is great. It allows you to go back and forth with the product continuing to stay wet versus drying out like some other products on the market may do. So this allows you to keep moving if you really want to work this product into the surface to remove that level of oxidation that's on it, especially with the cut that you have from the wool pad. Do one more final pass here, and then we'll take this off the paint and see what our results are. One thing I really like about this product is it wipes off super easy, especially if you're hanging off the side of a boat in a very awkward position. It makes it easier for you to wipe it off so you're not fighting it and almost falling. So what we have here now is a huge difference between both the all-in-one and the cleaner wax results. And you can see here, where my tape line was, that's how much oxidation was on this boat. So with that, you have the lighter approach and the heavier approach. And to me, I mean, this heavier approach is absolutely amazing in regards to the amount of gloss that we're able to achieve. And of course, leaving protection behind, leaving wax protection behind. So this allows you to streamline your process to make it easier for you. So it saves you time, but it also allows you to get your time back by being on the boat versus working on the boat. And that's what the results we received with the gel coat heavy cut cleaner wax. So stay tuned for part 3 of our series. That way I could go over with you what it takes to really get into the nitty-gritty of diving into multiple steps and really achieving the best results you can for your boat finish. And for more information on Marine 31 products, visit Autogeek.com.